welcome back to my channel. Today we are making my all-time favorite tiramisu. I love coffee and why not? Anyhow, this is a very easy and simple treat to make. It has no baking at all and anyone can actually do it. But be careful because it involves brandy, alcohol, rum, and coffee. I'm not sure whether or not you want to give this to kids. So to start with, you are going to need a really dark coffee. And you can either use espresso or very, very dark roasted coffee. Make it very rich. This is about 1.5 cup of coffee. To this, we are going to add half a cup of rum. And I'm using Kahlua, which is rum and coffee liqueur together. It can't get any better than that. So to this, we are going to add half a cup of rum and then we combine. This is our dipping mixture. We're going to set this aside. Then we are going to make our cream cheese frosting. We're using mascarpone cream cheese. You need 16 ounces. Each one of this is about 8 ounces, so we're going to use 2. You can get this mascarpone in your refrigerator section of your bakery section of your supermarket. These are really, really creamy, and that's what we need. You want to make sure that it is room temperature. We add it to the bowl. This is pretty amazing. To this, we are going to add 1/4 cup of our rum. Or you can, if you like it too much, you could actually add more. And we're going to whisk all this together by hand until they combine and become smooth. And we set it aside. We leave this in the refrigerator while we get our custard ready. To get our custard ready, we separated 6 egg yolks. We're going to pour it in here in a bowl. We already separated our egg yolks, 6 egg yolks from the egg whites. We already have our water simmering. To this egg yolk, we are going to add 2/3 cup of stevia. We are using stevia. And then we're going to combine. Now we are going to cook this over boiling water using steam till the egg yolk is combined and cooked. Okay. Ensure that you're just cooking it over steam, ensuring that the bottom of the bowl does not touch water. For those who do not want to eat raw egg, this is a good way to do this. You want to make sure you're stirring it constantly. If you really want the egg to be thoroughly cooked, you want to probably heat it to about 160 degrees. Our egg mixture is ready. We're going to take it off the heat. We took it off the heat. We are going to combine it with the mascarpone mixture. Next, we are going to make our whipped cream. To the bowl, we added 2 cups of heavy whipped cream. We are going to use our whisk attachment and we're going to whisk this till it has a stiff peak. That's because we want the mascarpone cream mixture to have really heavy body. We'll start off gently and then eventually we'll increase. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract from our homemade vanilla extract. If you would like to know how to make your own homemade extract, put the link right here. The whipped cream is ready and it has rum at that peak. So now it is time to assemble all of this. We are going to add the whipped cream. We're going to combine it into the mascarpone mixture. We're going to fold it in, ensuring that it is all incorporated. Okay, now we are going to put all this together. We bring in our dipping sauce, which is the coffee and rum combined. This is freshly made Ladyfingers that I bought from the store. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them and gently dip them in the coffee mixture. Just barely touch this and then flip it. We don't want it to soak too much. Then we'll put it in here. And then I'm going to break them up individually and then gently touch it. Then on this side, you don't want the lady fingers to be drenched. You can also take your brush and just brush it on top. Now the next thing we're going to do is to scoop some of this and lay it. Using our offset spatula, we're going to smoothen it out, making sure that it's level. And then we add the second layer. Then we add the top layer, spreading it out. And smoothing out with our offset spatula. You want to make sure that it's all leveled out just for aesthetic reason. Then the next thing we're going to do is to add some cocoa powder and sieve it on top generously, however way you want. You want to cover the whole thing. And look at that. The cocoa helps neutralize some of that sweetness. This is 100% cocoa and it's dark cocoa powder. We are now going to put this in the refrigerator to chill for a little bit. You can eat it as is if you want it. Putting it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 4 hours helps solidify all of that so that it's easier to actually cut. It also gives the flavors time to form. We are going to cover it and then put it in the refrigerator. After a few hours in the refrigerator, oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. And now we are going to have a taste test. First slice is always the most difficult. So I am going to try to cut through. Then I'm going to try to score. Now we're going to see if it's going to come out. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at all that. Oh, can't wait to dig in. It's time to dig in. Oh my. It is nice and soft. Oh my God, this is so good. The creaminess and the softness, and then the cocoa on top just gives it that perfect blend. Oh, this is so good. This is amazing. Knowing that I do not have refined sugar in this and how good it tastes, I have no guilt whatsoever eating this. So good. Go perfectly well with a cup of black coffee. Anyhow, if this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and have a blessed day.